Hello guys and welcome back to channel I love 164. Today we are unboxing this amazing car from Mini GT James Bond series. No one comes close to James Bond. Let's cut this open. Let's cut this open and then we will have a look on the car. Always cut it like this. Once this is done, you just need to do like to put your finger here and here. Yeah, see, that's how it's done. And now you just need to push it a little so that the card comes out. Now you can pull the box and the car. Everything else is intact. You can just lock it back like this and place it in your collection. So here's your box. I really like these silver boxes from Mini GT for James Bond series. 007 says Mini GT on the other side. Let's place it here and let's have a look on the car. So this is your bottom with some cool detailing of the front axle and back axle, exhaust coming out here. Let's place this on the turntable and have a close look. Let's do that. So this is like 4 James Bond car that I have added in my collection, and I think it is really cool. I'm not a huge fan of Lotus Esprit, but because this is from the Bond series, and second, it looks really cool with those snow skis on it. I really like the wheels, the proportion of the wheel to the tire. It's huge, especially for the back wheel. The side trim look cool in this golden color. This burnt orange look cool on this car. We have number plate detailings, focus lights on the front. We have tail light detailings and number plate on the back, and it says Lotus as well. And the interior in the beige color looks really nice on this car, and it is very highly detailed. Because it is beige, you can clearly see it and clearly see all the details, and somehow it is right hand drive. Really nice. Awesome. Also, the coolest feature of this car was these skate boards. I don't know what it's called, skiing sticks something. You guys let me know what it is called. They are quite flexible and actually looks good. The way they are hinged with the car, really cool. Let's see if this rolls. Yeah, rolls perfectly. So that was your Lotus Esprit from James Bond. Do let me know, guys, if you have bought this or not, or if you are willing to buy. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.